seen some wonderful examples of choux paste at work. Now it's time for me to do a little more work and make a croquembouche, a tower of cream-filled profiteroles dipped in caramel and built slowly up. What I use as a mold to build the croquembouche tower is just a styrofoam tree form. I've wrapped it in parchment paper and adhered the parchment using toothpicks. You'll be able to twist this out once the profiteroles are set. I've got my cream-filled profiteroles and I have a full pot of caramelized sugar, so I'm ready to dip and assemble. So again, you can use tongs or carefully your fingers, and starting at the bottom and working my way up, I just stick the profiterole on the base and then continue layering upwards. Because of the caramelized sugar, it sticks to the cone, but they also stick to each other, making a strong tower as you build up. Just a few more to add on. As you're working through this process, take the time you need to assemble it carefully. If you find your caramelized sugar is firming up, you can reheat it on low heat just to soften it. It takes between 80 to 100 profiteroles to make a tower about this tall. So you can calculate that based on the number of guests at whatever special occasion you're making this for. One last one for right on top. And there we go. Now, the final move, while you have this caramel that's almost cool and stretchy, is to take a fork, dip it in, and then just wrap it around the torte into golden threads. And that is a classic croquembouche. I like to transport it in the cone, but then you can actually twist the cone out and set it up on display and let people crack off the individual profiteroles. What a grand dessert. Look at all the things you can do with choux paste. So you can take this and all the other ideas back to your own kitchens to bake and enjoy.